day. Hope you enjoy. A great parent is not the one who gives the money, not the one who gives most of the toys, not the one who gives the place to live. A great parent is one who gives attention and the quality time to their kids. Be a good parent. To be a good parent, all you need to do to be present with your child, not present, but be present. Good evening, one and all. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Sandeep Gupta, Managing Director, Arena Animation, and special guest, Dr. Shruti Gupta, Director Principal, Brilliant Public School. Ladies and gentlemen, parents of my dear children, it really gives me immense pleasure to welcome all to first annual function of iKids Kingdom Junior School. We began our kindergarten journey in the year 2019-20. The year 2020-21 and 2021-22 was COVID year. And we all were trapped within our homes. It was very difficult for us to continue the activities and education journey during these 2 years. But thanks to our teachers who made their efforts to continue through the Zoom and other possible online ways. Give them a big round of applause. Special thanks to the parents who trusted upon us and supported us during difficult times. The result of the trust is the construction of iKids Kingdom new premises, where we are sitting and enjoying the beautiful performance of a child. Today I am proud to say that the school has escalated to great horizon of success. We are very grateful to our chief mentor, Dr. Shruti Gupta, because of her valuable guidance, encouragement and support that all this has been possible. We also remember with gratitude every one of those, every parent, every teachers and every student who did their best to build this edifice of excellence. A strong academic, dedicated sports activities, other co-curricular activities and many such events are the manifestation of the fact that balances activities and academics very delicately. I strongly believe that the great school is made with 3 C's: collaboration, cooperation and commitment. We have collaboration with all our children, OYO USA, to give international dimension to our school. We have implemented their pedagogies as per the Indian environment. Dear parents are very honored to have your cooperation throughout the whole academic year. Please give a big round of applause to yourself as well. I am really thankful to all who are present here. Success of child is not dependent on academic performance, but also the child holistic development. iKids Kingdom Junior is committed to provide the multiple opportunity to the student to participate in various activities like dance, skills, quiz, project works, role play, sports, etc. Activities and competitions open up new possibilities to the students. Few such activities are English and Hindi poem recitation, English and Hindi storytelling, puzzles, brain teasers, spelling quiz, celebration of national days through special assemblies, art and craft, maths day, special weeks like English week and Hindi week, Olympiads and whatnot. Though we are young organization, but we have created our own identity in education environment. We do not have competition with the neighboring school. Indeed, we set up our own benchmark and we prove them. We are we are glad and proud to announce that our students have won gold medal and silver medal in Olympiad examinations. The event like this is not only teach them life skills but also how important the natural resources for their future. iKids Kingdom follows innovative ways to have our students grow holistically. We are sure that Tallytalks improve the interactions with peers and teachers, improve language skills, and start to develop logical and reasoning skills. Children are introduced to alphabetical and mathematical concepts. Their gross motor skills are supervised to exercise games and other indoor activities. New education policy is based on 4 pillars: access, equity, quality, and accountability. It emphasizes in improving quality and achievement of learning outcome using foundational literacy and numeracy. In iKids Kingdom, we have already introduced NEP 2020. This school is indeed a place where health and hygiene, safety and vigilance are monitored all times. Success in life is always by value system. Values are given utmost importance. A strong value in the child indicates that his or her foundation principle is strong. Respecting elders, respecting teachers, the school system, love, care, honesty, politeness, responsibilities are taught in the school. The school emphasizes on physical development, communication skills, social skills, emotional skills, and cognitive skills. Actually, we are made to fly. Our children are made to fly. They have incredible potential in them, but we all love to sit on the branch bringing to the comfort and fears. So what do we need to do is to just cut those branches to achieve what we want to be. So this is what the theme of our today's event, Chrysalis, the energies within, the transformation of egg to lava and then to caterpillar and finally to the butterfly. Children learn more by exploring. So let's not all be very protective toward the children. In our school function, in our annual function, you will be seeing that each and every student comes on the stage. Our endeavor is to make them confident, and we also want them to imagine and dream, because we believe that if you can imagine it, then you can do it. Here I am reminded by my favorite lines of Rabindranath Tagore ji. The woods are lovely and dark and deep. The woods are lovely, dark and deep. But I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. Miles to go before I sleep. Thank you, dear parents. Once again, I request that what my dear children say, really enjoy the function till the end of program. Cheer well to your children and trust your school for your children's development. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.